I don't have my knee pads today, so it's my knees are already starting to hurt. I have good knees, but it's just I get up and down so much. I think something's trying to poke out at me there. It might be really hard to find with this big coil. Most likely it's going to be very difficult to find. It's going to be very small. It could be a bullet or something. I don't know if my pinpointer's going to pick it up. Yeah, it's going to be too small for my pinpointer to pick up. I think it might be a little piece of foil or something. The foil's been doing that to me this morning. Very, very elusive stuff. Right there. Oh, dude, what the heck is that? Oh, it's a knob to a. I can't remember exactly what this goes to. It's a knob to something. I can't remember exactly what that goes to. It rings a big bell though. So I'm just listening very closely for a small little piece of jewelry here. Looking at my numbers a lot. Really looking at my numbers. Seeing how stable they are. Because these small pieces of jewelry are they're just whispers. They're just very, very faint signals. And they're right on the surface. And there's a lot of foil here too, so I gotta dig up a lot of that junk. Of course. God, Jim is just tearing it up today, man. He is just tearing it up, man. With that big coil, man, makes a huge difference. Oh my lord!
God dang
oh my gosh, Jim!
I broke it. I had it right in my
dude.
hand.
Yeah, they're super fragile.
Oh, man,
oh, that is the most freaking epic buckle. Oh my gosh. He said it almost makes him want to cry, dude. Oh lord. But those are super fragile, man. Oh, that is the most beautiful buckle I've seen in a long time, man. That's sickness. Oh, Jim is just tearing it up today. Oh, dude, that buckle would have been freaking awesome. But gotta move on. There's more jewelry to be found. Oh my God, Jim. He's just tearing it up with that big coil on his MX7, the 13-inch double D-Tech coil. He's really doing good today because he's able to cover a lot more ground than with his 7-inch concentric coil. Some can swap or some lead. Yep, some lead right there. Oh my lord, Jim. He has pulled up some really good stuff today, man. I should probably be swinging my simplex right now, but I want to hear for those really small piece of jewelry with the Anfibio. You know, with the simplex, I'm too tempted to swing fast because it's such a light machine. With the Anfibio, I slow down because it's a heavier machine, and I'm kind of forced to slow down too with it because the tones on it are really quiet. I should probably go a little easy with this one because it could be some jewelry. Yeah. Oh. Dig just a little bit big. Oops. Dig a little bit bigger plug here. Because I don't want to destroy anything. Right there. A little bit of lead. Because the stuff here is very fragile because it's so old, right? Normally when we're digging, you know, we're just digging it super fast because we're in spots that don't really have a lot of fragile relics in them. But in this spot here, you have to be very careful with stuff. I'll come back later on, simplex on that one. That's a nice 04 tone. I like that. I found a couple marbles right over here, just right on the surface. Or Jim did. I plucked them out though. That was just over here a minute ago. That's a nice tone too, 04. I'm just gonna hit up over here a little bit. Yeah, this is right where they came with the scraper or the excavator yesterday. He had the excavator through here, then he went that way after they pulled out this brush. Oh, that buckle was just awesome that Jim just pulled out, man. That was crazy. But it's craziness like every 20 minutes here. Something really good is pulled out every 20 minutes here. That's big iron. I don't know. There could be stuff up here too. Probably modern junk right up here. This is where they pulled that brush up from. Get out there, brush. There we go. Get the target right here. Oh, something really scratchy here. Probably a lot of roots down here too. It's right there. A little bit of cancel off right there. Right on the surface. Modern stuff, a lot of modern stuff around this junk pile here. There used to be a bunch of homeless camps here, and just piled up all the garbage over here. So I was listening for those really short tones, really quiet tones today. So I'm going slow. A little bit of iron there. But I'm gonna grab my Simplex in a couple minutes, probably in about 5 minutes after this video, and just start swinging fast. Use my Simplex and just hammer it down, you know. If you have different techniques and different detectors and different coils, you really can get a lot of different stuff, man. I don't always swing fast, you know. A lot of people say, oh, you know, Paystreak Superfreak, he's the fastest swinger ever. I do swing fast like in my videos, because, you know, I get a lot of stuff in those videos. But in spots like this, I'll slow down, because you can get deeper targets, and you can get a lot better idea of, you know, what you're digging up to if you go slower. That one's too scratchy for me, it's a nail. But there's times, a lot of times, I'm swinging slow. Like out in the farm fields, like yesterday, I was swinging slow, and I got 2 silver dimes in 5 minutes, or in 8 minutes. Got 2 silver dimes just by swinging slow, because there's so many of those twist ties that they use for the farming, for the hops fields. Okay, doke. Well, I'm gonna grab my Simplex with my big coil on it and kind of hammer down a little bit. Get her done. Cover some ground here, you know. And I did bring the 9-inch. Actually, I'll put my 9-inch concentric coil on the Amphibio right now. That's what I'll do right now. I'll put the 9-inch on. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.